In this lesson, we'll be talking about how prefixes, root words, and suffixes work together to build powerful, meaningful words in English. Knowing these words can definitely supercharge your vocabulary, because these words that include both prefixes and suffixes are great for more advanced vocabulary learning. So let's get started. First, we'll have a look at the meaning of the word. The state of not being happy. We can see that the root word is happy. The state of not being happy would be prefix un, root word happy, suffix ness. So the new word would be unhappiness. If we take a look down the bottom, the suffixes ness, ity, ment, and ism are often added to adjectives or verbs to create nouns that describe a state or condition. So the state of not being happy, unhappiness. The next one, a response to something with the root word act. A response to something, reaction. So ion, the suffix, generally ending in t, te, or ate. Okay, let's move on to the next one. A lack of agreement or a state of being at variance. The root word is agree. So a lack of agreement would be disagree. Disagree, the suffix ment, the new word will be disagreement. Seeing beforehand with the root word view. Preview is to see something before, so we're seeing beforehand, so it would be previewing. Ing transform verbs into present participles, so the word is previewing. Giving the wrong impression. With the root word lead, to mislead is to give the wrong impression. Giving the wrong impression would be misleading. The next one is the state of not being seen. The root word is visible, so invisible is not being seen. We can add for the suffix invisibility, and this is the conditional state of not being seen. Worked too much. With the root word work, we can say overwork is too much work. But with ed on the end, we know that this is to form the past tense of regular verbs and also functions as past participle. So it would be overworked. The act of giving support, and the root word is courage. To encourage someone is to give support. The act of giving support would have the suffix ment, encouragement. Regarded as less capable with the root word estimate. To underestimate is regarding as less capable. So the suffix would be ed, as the meaning is regarded as less capable, so underestimated. Able to act together. With the root word act, we can have a prefix of interact, and the suffix of IVE. So the new word would be interactive. IVE is used to form adjectives from nouns or verbs. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.